Okay, hi. Today I will be going through what is in the DIY kit collection thing. So on Wednesday nights at our house, right? Yeah, at our house, at 7 o'clock, the first 12 people who reserve a spot or come will be able to make a DIY kit set. These will be $8 for the whole bag. And now I'll go through what is in the bag. So first, there is a spritzer, and it comes with a little spritzer recipe card, which has like a list of the recipes on the back. And so I've actually done this before, and so I made the clean and fresh spritzer recipe, and it has purification, lavender, and peppermint oil in it. And there are also labels that come in the boxes, but we just didn't pull them out. So that's the spritzer. And then the next one is lotion. And so here's the container it comes with. And it has a lotion recipe card as well. And I did the start your day suggestion for the recipe. It has peppermint, lemon, and lavender in it. And this one also has a label, and you'll be able to write in the labels for which one you do, but
Cute.
we just didn't put it on. And then the last thing in your bag will be lip balm. And so here's the container, and then here's the recipe card. And I did the lavender peppermint one, which is lavender and peppermint oil. So you will get all of these things in a little purple bag if you come. So if you want to reserve your spot, you can
PayPal me.
PayPal, yeah.
$8. Yay, thanks for sharing. Here's what the box, it's so fun. You can actually purchase these, I think still, I'm not sure. There they are. Come join us. Oh, she has the little lotion things. I'll take a picture of them so you know what things that you can make. It's a fun class.